Hello to all my students. So there are times when you might be getting confused as to, in a chronic case, when should I give a acute remedy? So the answer is that there are times when the patient gets acute symptoms of many other illnesses. Say for example, the patient is suffering from RA, a chronic disease, and you are giving constitutional a chronic remedy. The patient is taking the medicine, the patient is becoming better. Now, say for example, the patient has got a viral infection, and that viral infection, even though he or she is taking your constitutional, the viral infection is still there. So you know for the fact that your constitutional is not working that time, and you know for the fact that there are new set of symptoms which are absolutely peculiar and characteristic. So in such cases, that time, ask the patient to hold your constitutional remedy, do not take that remedy, and on the basis of a new totality, of a fresh totality, you think of another remedy which is similar to that totality, and you give a acute remedy. That's how you take care of the acute totality. After the acute episode gets over, you can again switch back to your chronic remedy. Now this is one condition. Now there are times when the patient gets fever, or the patient gets high grade fever which is unexplained. Suddenly the patient has got high grade fever, and there are symptoms like slight cold, cough, throat pain. And if there are no characteristic symptoms of that particular totality, in such conditions, when you don't get a totality and which is very characteristic for that particular episode, in such conditions you always think of continuing your constitutional remedy but more frequently. Say for example, your constitutional remedy is lycopodium and you are giving the patient lycopodium once a week. In such condition, when you know that there is no actual totality which is found, you think of repeating lycopodium every 4 hourly. And so in such conditions, your lycopodium, which is a constitutional remedy, itself takes care of the acute episode, and that's how the entire case can be solved. This can be done in many cases where there is nothing which is very peculiar or nothing characteristic which is found out. Your constitutional remedy itself becomes the indicated remedy for that particular episode.